All right. Good day, sir. So let me quickly check for the what's it called now? For the name you have asked me to check. The main thing I've done some research across the weekend. I was waiting for your response so that I can be able to give you a very good information later on. So now look at let's start with the first one. I think you have a lot of denied names. The first one says that's International Academy of Food and Agriculture. It says name vis-a-vis the object and not suitable under incorporation. Incorporated trustee kindly apply for limited by guarantee. I think I mentioned something like this, right? Okay. Name will mislead. Green Building and Innovation Society. This one names are vague. Community integrity, ethical. Okay. Society of Sustainable Building Innovation Developers. Properly rephrase the names. Okay, like this one now. Society for Sustainable Building Innovations Developers. There should be a proper way to reframe it. Now, this is what I always do, right? With AI. I don't know if you know about ChatGPT. Um, so I use it. That's what I use sometimes to get a proper, especially when the query is something I need more information on, right? So let I will put it in such a way that properly rephrase the name. So if I want you to rephrase this name now, so that it will fit in, right? hmm So sustainable building innovation initiative. You see that? So this is more. All these ones are better. They are more. This one now, for instance, sustainable building developers foundation. uh Green building innovation initiative, eco-friendly construction developers foundation. So the word that ends your that qualifies your incorporate trustee is very important. Just like when you're registering a church, you end with missions, ministry, church. You understand all those words. They help qualify mosques, association. It ends with those words. Do you understand? Uh, those schools to the old student association. In that instance, what ends now? Look at. I'll copy all these things now and send to you, anyways, so that it will help be a guide, so that you see what I'm trying to say in essence. So let me copy this and paste. The when you're watching this video, you'll be able to understand what I am doing. So this one is based on this thing I sent to you now is based on just this query that I saw. This particular query that I'm sending to you, this proper Society for Sustainable Building initiate innovations developer. So because they say you should paraphrase the name, do you understand? So the same thing goes with others. The next one says Society of Eco-Friendly Building Materials and Technology Promoter. You see, they say the name will also mislead other party because the name is sounding as if it's a company or it's a profit-based business, right? It's not an association. It's not sounding as if it's an association. So look at it now. So let me put this now into the AI and tell it that the name mislead apply. So you don't have to bother on how to do this, right? So just use the samples I've sent to you. Name mislead under part C. Kindly rephrase to 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 fit into the camera law. So it has done its own job. I'll copy this and send to you as well. So you can see now it's going to fit in. Okay, maybe it's not even bringing. It's not giving me the right. This prompt is not giving me what I need. The all is that is starting with the incorporated trustee. I don't want it to start with incorporated trustee. Don't start with the word incorporated trustee. trustee. Use other relevant words or phrase. You understand what I'm trying to say? So these are some of the things we do to get a proper context. You see, eco-friendly building initiative, sustainable construction. So something like this would definitely go through. So now this what I'm sharing with you now as content is now it now goes beyond. So there's a need for these names to now be searched side by side with the search.cac.gov.ng now. So once I'm done now, I'll now come. So this name I've sent to you now, for instance, I'll now come to search.cac.gov.ng. So one by one, I'll look into the names. So let's look at the first one now. Sustainable building. So let me copy just this word, sustainable building innovations. Sustainable building. Let me copy sustainable building and search for it. If we have anything, the network is a bit slow and maybe not very good. So okay, let me search for just that sustainable building. Let's see if we have. You see, we have words related to it. So look at this now. You see, we have sustainable foundation. You see, this ends with foundation. Very important. The mastermind capacity building and sustainable development foundation. That word is very crucial in aligning it to make sense. Ijebu sustainable interval, the great. Do you understand? So you can see that that word initiative, club, initiative, foundation, right? You see those words, they are very crucial. This one, sustainable development, initiative, forum. Those words are very important when it comes to incorporate trustee development center. You see, this center is already there. Pure center, though that is a restricted one. Sustainable so you understand the point, you get the point with this. That's why I'm recording this. I'm just supposed to send you names to use, but this should be more educational than just getting the names sorted. So building exceptional development sustainable foundation. Do you see this one? This one is available. Can you imagine this name is available? Yours are looking like this, but because this foundation and initiative are not in the words, it's making it not to be available. So I believe you get the point of what I'm trying to say. I think if I stop the video here, it will make a lot of sense to you, right? So yeah, let me send the video to you and then the content as well. So I'd already done some search before now, right? Before the ones I'm doing in this video, I've done some searches before now. So I'll copy some of those searches and share with you, and then you will now do what you just do is to check and compare if these names are existing with CAC. You understand? Just like I did, just copy the first two words and check. First two words, three words, and check if these names are. You can see I make sure that all these words end with initiative, right? So very crucial. So let me paste the ones I have. So I'll send this video to you right away, and then I hope it helps you. All right, thank you very much. So I would, sorry I couldn't pick the call. I was on a lot of things, so I just had to just sort yours now. All right, thank you.